Good morning, students. Today we are going to find a non-zero vector in null A and in column A. In the last class, already we discussed how to verify whether a vector is in null A vector in column A. He gave the vectors, simply we verified whether it is in null A and in column A. And now today we are going to find a vector. We are going to find a non-zero vector in null A and also in column A. And also we will do verify whether the vector is in null A and in column A also. And now first given. Okay, before that, see the question once. Find a non-zero vector in null A and in column A where A equal to 6 minus 4 minus 3 2 minus 9 6 and 9 minus 6. Come on, right? Given A equal to 6 minus 4 minus 3 2 minus 9 6 9 minus 6. First I am going to find a non-zero vector in null A. Finding a non-zero vector in null A. Finding a non-zero vector in null A. For this, I will consider augmented matrix. Augmented matrix A 0. 0 column vector. A already we have 6 minus 4 minus 3 2 minus 9 6 9 minus 6 and 0 vector 0 0 0. Now we are solving this matrix with the help of echelon form. So I am making this element as 0 0 0. If you want first row, first element like this, you can draw echelon form also. I am making this minus 3 as 0 with the suitable row operations, minus 9 0 with the suitable row operation, and 9 also with the suitable row operation. First one, here I have to make it 0. R2 implies 2R2 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 6 0. So 2R2 plus R1. Next R3 implies R3 here 6 and minus 9 we are getting LCM 18, we are getting 9 2 is 18. So 2R3 minus 18 plus 18 I require, so I multiply 3R1. Once I get 2 into minus 9 minus 18 3 6 is 18 minus 18 plus 18 0. Similarly R4 implies again here also 18 only, 2R4 minus 3R1 equal to first operation. R2 implies 2R2 plus R1. We will do the rough work here. 2R2 multiply second row with 2. 2 into minus 3. First one I am doing. First row operation I am doing. Second row with 2. Minus 6. 4 0. Plus R1. Right, first row. 6 minus 4 0. We have addition, we have simply add it 0 0 0 we are getting 3 we got, 0 only we got. So first row as is 6 minus 4 0. Second row we did now only 0 0 0 we got. Now we'll go for another operation 2R3 plus 3R1. 2R3, third row with 2. 2 times minus 18 to 6 j 12 0. First row with 3 times 18 minus 12 0. Again here addition we have 0 0 0. So simply we have 0 0 0 over R4 implies 2R4. Fourth row we have to multiply 2 times. Multiply it. 2 9 18 minus 12 0. First row with 3 times 18 minus 12 0. So I have minus sign, subtraction I have to do it, minus plus what it may be. So simply getting 0 0 0 you are getting. Here also 0 0 0 over. I tried for echelon form, almost these 3 elements are 0 we got. Now I can reduce it also. R1 implies R1 by 2. R1 implies R1 by 2. So once again I am finding a non-zero vector in null A. The process is, first we have to consider a augmented matrix A 0. A is a matrix and 0 is a 0 matrix column. Simply I have to make below these 6 elements as 0. By suitable row operations I make it 0 also. That's all up to here. Now R1 implies R1 by 2, nothing but we are getting 3 minus 2 0 0 and remaining all elements is zeros only we have. That's all. Now I'll write the equations. 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. Let x2 is equal to k. Let x2 is equal to k. So simply getting 3x1 equal to 2k. x1 is equal to 2k by 3. 2k by 3. Therefore x1 x2 equal to x1 2k by 3, x2 k I got. I will take k LCM. So k as common I will take it. 2 by 3 1. Multiply and divide by 2 by 3. K by 3 is equal to 2 3. So simply we get a vector 2 3 we got. Let it as W. Let W is equal to 2 3. A non-zero vector in null A. We got a vector W, a non-zero vector in null A. And now I will verify it. Verification. I have to consider AW. I have to get zero vector so that I can say W is a non-zero vector in W. AW equal to A already we have 6 minus 4 minus 3 2 minus 9 6 9 minus 6 and W already we have 2 3. Multiply it 6 2 is 12 plus minus 4 into 3 minus 12. First row is over. Similarly second row minus 6 plus 6. Third row, minus 9 into 2 plus 6 into 3, minus 18 plus 18. Similarly, 9 2 is 18 minus 18. We got a 0 vector, we got equal to 0 0 0 0. Simply AW is equal to 0. Therefore, W is equal to 2 3 is a non-zero vector, is a non-zero vector in W. Non-zero vector in W. Yes, once again listen. Find a non-zero vector in null A and column A where A equal to given. Simply we consider a augmented matrix A 0. We simplified it. We got 2 3 is in null A. In null A we did verification also. AW we did. Simply we got a 0 vector we got. So simple I can say W is a non-zero vector in W. Next one more I have to find. Column A I have to find it. Already we have echelon form that rank is A. Clearly rank of A equal to 2. Why means since A already we wrote echelon form, A already we wrote in echelon form, we got as 3 minus 2 0 0 0 0 and all these zeros only we got. We got rank of A is equal to 2. Rank of A is equal to 2. To say we know that if rank of A equal to rank of AW, then all we can say it is consistent. Rank of A equal to rank of AW is equal, then all we say it is consistent. Nothing but already we have rank of A. Rank of A, how much we have? 1 we have. Rank of A 1. This is rank A. This is A. Rank of A is 1. So simple I can say rank of AW is also 1. 1 equal to rank of AW. Therefore, let W is equal to 1. Only one non-zero vector should have to exist it. Non-zero vector. So simple I can write A 0 0 0. Instead of A you can write any real number. A is any real number, or example if you want, or you can consider W is equal to 1 0 0 0. This is a non-zero vector in column A. So, in order to determine a column vector, simply we have to check rank of A and rank of AW should be consistent. Nothing, both are equal should be there. Already we have rank of A 1 only we have, by echelon form we got. So rank of AW is also 1. So W also should be a non-zero vector only. It should be a rank 1. So simply one non-zero vector I have to exist it. So simply I can, here it is suitable. If it is 1, I can say rank of AW is also 1. This is only A. This is only A. So W is in column A. That's all. Yes. Now one more problem. Find a non-zero vector in null A and in column A where A equal to. We have to find a non-zero vector in null A and in column A. Yes, again same as previous problem only. Solution. given A equal to 5 minus 2 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 5 7 2 over. Now consider augmented matrix. A 0, 0 is 0 matrix. Come on, write 5 minus 2 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 5 7 2 0 0 0. Here also again I have to solve by echelon form. I have to make this element as 0. So simply R2 implies, I'll multiply the 5 minus 5 plus 5 0. R2 5 R2 plus R1. Here I have to make it 0. Simply 5 minus 5 0 only. So R3 implies R3 plus R1. Row operation whatever you are doing, that should be first and later the second operation. And now with the help of 5 I am making these two elements as 0 with the help of suitable row operations. Now the first row operation is R2 implies 5 R2 plus R1. I am doing here 5 R2 multiply 5 here minus 5 0 minus 5 0 plus R1 first row as it is 5 minus 2 3 0 addition 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 0. Come on, write that value. And similarly one more we have direct, we have R3 plus R1, just we can add it directly. So I'll do here equal to augmented matrix is equal to first row as it is only 5 minus 2 3 0. Second row now only we did 0 minus 2 minus 2 0. And R3 plus R3 plus R1 5 plus minus 5 0. 7 minus 2 5. 2 plus 3 5 and 0. Now R2 implies R2 by minus 2, I will do it. Similarly R3 implies R3 by 5. Equal to augmented A0 is equal to 5 first row 5 minus 2 3 0. Second row we have by minus 2 we have, I can write 0 1 1 0 and similarly 0 1 1 0. Again I will try for echelon form. I will make this element also as 0. R3 implies R3 minus R2. So A equal to A0 augmented matrix equal to first row as it is 5 minus 2 3 0. Second row 0 1 1 0. Third row simply we have to subtract 0 minus 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 we got. This is A and that is 0 matrix we got. And that's all, we got echelon form. Now I'll write the equations for this one. Equations 5x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. Next 0x1 1x2 plus 1x3 is equal to 0. Three variables and two equations we have. One of the variable I assumed is a k. Let x3 is equal to k. I am assuming x3 is equal to k. Nothing but equation 2 and this is equation 1. From equation 2, x2 is equal to minus k. x3 is equal to k, x2 also we got from equation 2. Now substitute this in equation 1. 5x1 minus 2x2 minus 2 into minus k plus 2k plus 3x3 plus 3k equal to 0. So 5x1 equal to minus 5k, x1 is equal to minus k we got. So I can write vector, I'll assume w is equal to x1, x2, x3. Come on, right, minus k, x1 minus k, x2 also minus k, x3 is k. Take k common, simply we getting minus 1, 1. This is a non-zero vector in null A. Let w is equal to minus 1, 1. Yes, we can do verification also whether this w is a non-zero vector in A or not. Simply by verifying AW, we have to get AW as a 0. Now I will consider AW. Consider AW equal to, already we have A, 5 minus 2, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 5, 7, 2. W, minus 1, 1. Multiply to it. First row with first column. 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Similarly, second row, minus 1 to minus 1, plus 0, minus 2 minus plus 1 we got. Next, minus 2 minus 5, minus 7, plus 2, plus 2. So simply we are getting yes, this is minus 1. So simply we are getting 0, 0, 0 we got. Therefore, AW is equal to 0 we got. So simply I can say W is a non-zero vector in W. So very simple to find a non-zero vector in null A. Simply consider a augmented matrix A0, simplify it, you will get the equations, solve the equations, we get a vector. Here I got a vector, a non-zero vector W is a vector in null A. For verification, again I considered AW, I got 0 vector. So therefore I can say W is in null A. Now second condition we are doing, we are finding column A in null A. For this already we have augmented matrix A0. From this I will take A equivalent to 5 minus 2 3 0 1 1 0 0 0. That is rank of A equal to 2. In order to say it is consistent, I have to say rank of A equal to rank of AW. Rank of A equal to rank of AW is equal to 2. Implies Already we have A. I have to write W. I have to write. So once again I am writing AW. I am writing AW is equal to, already A we have 5 minus 2 3 0 1 1 0 0 0. W is ABC. For example, you consider ABC. We have to get rank 2. We have to get rank 2. So obviously C value is 0. Clearly C value is 0. In order to get rank AW is equal to, you can write any values A and B. So simple, I will consider, let A equal to 3 and B equal to 5. Therefore W is equal to 350 is a non-zero vector in column A. W is equal to 350 is a non-zero vector in